What's going on, guys? Are you trying to set up your MyEtherWallet account? Well, I'm going to help you do it. I'm going to help you set up a safe password, and I'm going to show you how to encrypt it. I'll be right back.
All this work is love, reminding us why we do it. All this love is work, it hurts to give yourself to it. All this work is love.
Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your MyEtherWallet account and how to encrypt your password. So let's get right into it. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go to myetherwallet.com. You can see up here. I'm going to skip over this for the purposes of time in this video, but take the time to read everything that they put on this website. If there's like a disclaimer like this that pops up automatically, read it. It's there for a reason. They're trying to protect everybody from nobody, especially the people that created MyEtherWallet. They don't want people to get hacked. They want people to use their product. They don't make profit from us using these accounts. They don't have access to any of the information. It's all created and they're standalone accounts. So the first thing that we're going to do here is we are going to create a password. Okay, so we're going to go to passwordgenerators.net. We're going to increase the length of the password to 40. We're going to generate a new password. I'm going to copy this. We are going to paste this right here, and we're probably never going to use this again, but it's important to keep it in there just in case. Now, and you'll see what I mean by that. So we're going to click right here. We're going to enter the password. So we're pasting the password in here. Now, a little pro tip for you guys. When you do have your password all set up here, when it shows you your password, just to be safe, what I like to do is to change at least a couple of letters in this password. So even though this website knows that it sent this password out, I'm protecting myself by having it not be exactly the same. Okay? Now, you also want to go down here and read all of this stuff. This is all really useful information to prevent passwords from being hacked by social engineering, blah, 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 blah. Take the time to read all this. This is all really interesting stuff. When you get into the world of cryptocurrencies and being your own bank, I've said it before, I'll say it again, you have to take security seriously, and you have to be diligent about protecting your passwords and going through the process of learning how to encrypt files and how to do everything. It's a little bit painful. It's a little bit painful at first, but once you get it down, it's really easy. And I'm going to show you a quick tip on how to do it. So we're going to create the new wallet, and it's going to ask us to download the key store file. You don't have a choice, so you have to download this. So we're going to download it to the desktop for now. Okay. Now you click I understand, and it's going to give you your private key. So we're going to copy the private key. This is very important information. Don't share this with anybody. Okay? We're going to paste the private key right here. Don't be like me. Don't just share your private key with everybody. All right, so we have the private key saved here. We're going to save it to the desktop. All right. Now, I would suggest that you guys print out a copy as well and like put it in a safe. Some people like to, for stuff like this, they like to print out multiple copies and then cut them in half and save them in like different locations all over the place. That's a little bit extreme, but you know, if you're protecting a significant amount of money, it's probably worth it. And it also is a huge barrier for someone to gain access to your funds. So now we click to save address, and we're going to click private key here to log in. So in the interest of this channel, I always want to point you guys in the right direction. I want to make sure that you have like solid information about this kind of stuff, especially when it comes to security. We're using a private key to log in here, but you should definitely log in through a TREZOR or a Ledger wallet. Okay, and if you guys don't have those, I have affiliate links down below in the description. You can use those links or not. Either way, get yourself a TREZOR or a Ledger and get it set up. And I'll do my best to create a video to help you guys set that up in the future. If I don't have time, you can always search for it on YouTube. Box mining has some good videos on that, and there's plenty of tutorials. Okay, so we're going to go back to this file, copy, paste the private key in there, and hit unlock. Okay, and now your account is unlocked. So this is it. This is your address for your MyEtherWallet account. You can also see it here. Okay, your balance, 0 Ethereum. All right, and your private key is encrypted, is right here. So we just cut and pasted that. Now it's also giving you your address in this form. I'm not sure what this is called. You can also print this out. This should be part of what you print out for your passwords. So let's real quickly go over how to encrypt your password. So as you can see here, we have the file that we saved the password into. So you're just going to right click the file. Man, this is so easy. I wish I knew this at the beginning. I've gone through so many unnecessary steps. Add to archive. Okay. Now it's going to bring you to this screen. All you got to do is set password. Type in the password, which is for this going to be password. Hit OK. Hit OK. Now all you do is double click this version of the file. So this is just an encrypted version of this notepad file. Okay, so close that. Now if you double click this, it's going to ask you for your password. So you put in password. You can have it show the password or not. Generally I don't. Click OK and it opens the file for you. And that's about it, guys. So all you need to do now is set up the password for this file just like you set up the previous one, and don't make it too easy, and that will password protect something that's on your desktop. So it may seem lazy to have it on the desktop, but at least it's encrypted and there's a password on it. So if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you found it useful, hit the subscribe button for more helpful videos in the future. Share it with anybody that you think might find this information useful. And thanks for joining me, and I will see you guys in the next video. Much love. Peace. And I'm hoping to make today even better. God damn it. What's going on out there? They always get me. They try to make me a little icon. I'm not an icon. I'm a human. All right, that's better.
The more I run, the farther away it seems. What is green is always more than